Hello friends, today I am going to teach you the basic Electron JS desktop application. First of all, you need two things, that is I'm going to make a note of it so that you can easily get what I'm going to write. First of all, you need the node, and then after the git will help us. And okay, then after the electron force. Okay, and this much is okay. First of all, go to website and search for node. Okay, here you can see node.js. Click on it, and recommended for most user downloads. The recommended for most user, I already have downloaded and installed it. After that, search for git. You can see here the git, and download for 2.3. Download for window it, and then 2.3 is the latest release version. Further you may get the more advanced release version. After downloading and installing the git and the node, okay, let's come to the desktop, and we will create a new empty folder called project. Okay, open the folder. Inside the folder, just going right click over there, and you can get a pop-up called git bash here. Open the git bash inside the project folder. You can name your project anything, and check here whether the node and git is installed or not. If git is installed, you can already know by using here that the git bash here will pop up. If not installed, then you can see that git bash here. And to check the node version, you can write node -b. Also check the npm -b. It takes some time. After installing node and git, it's time to install electron. Npm install electron -g to install it globally. Okay, it takes some time, so please be patient and wait until it ends. It is taking some time, so please be patient. Now it's downloading the Electron version 11.2 for the Windows 32 and similar for 64-bit version. It takes some time. Now the npm install for Electron is completed. Now you can check the Electron version, Electron -v. It will show the Electron version installed. After that, we will start using the Electron force. For it, you have to write. You can install work on Electron manually, but it's better to install the Electron force. It provides all the inbuilt basic requirements. Electron npm install. Okay, wait. Create Electron app and -g to install it globally. It takes some time, so please be patient and wait for it. Look, Electron app is updated. Now you have to write create Electron app, and the app name, suppose test app, and hit enter. And you can see the here the project folder is empty, but in some time after updation it will create a test app folder. Look here inside the project folder, and it install all the dependencies, so it takes a little time, so be patient. The installation speed depends on your system speed as well as your network speed. My system is still slow, so it's taking a little more time. Now the installation is completed. Just change the directory to test app to open our folder, and you can see here the master, that is the project main file. To run it, just type npm run start, and you can see our project will run. It's just the basic website, or you can say the desktop application, which is created under Chromium. Okay. This is the basic desktop application on Electron JS. You can remove this development console by going to the test app, source, open the index.js file with VS Code or any editor you have. You can open it in our notepad also, but I have VS Code. I will open with VS Code. Wait, no, okay, just look here, open the development tool, just go here and you can delete or you can comment it and save it, close the file, close the window, and again type npm run start. Now you will see the development tool will not show because we have disabled that. Okay, this is the hello world application. Suppose you want to change this hello world, then just simply go to the index file and open with your editor. And just change here anything you want. You can put your own HTML file. Hello, I will write hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Second, okay, second for wait. Okay, it's problem there, and just save it. Okay, just close it and again type npm, okay, npm run restart. Oh, it will generate an error because I have mistake in my start command, start. Look, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, second code. And this is just a simple Electron JS desktop application, and to publish it, just type npm run make. It will now generate a exe file for your application. You can maintain the size of window from here inside the index.js file. You can see the width, height, the basic width and height is 800 and 600. You can change from here, but before publishing you must have to change it. After publishing it will not work. And you can see it is packaging all the required file for 44 bits, and it will. So here we will see our distribution folder, and our exe file will be there. It takes some time, so please wait. Now the project making is completed. You can see here out folder, inside it okay, look, the test apps 1.0.0 setup. Copy it anywhere on the desktop. Okay, I'm moving it to desktop. Close the files. Okay, and just double click it to install. Here I have chosen the wrong, it was wrong, and just go inside the out folder and your project folder name with window 32 or 64, and here you can see view large icon here, test app. This is the basic, and now it will run. And welcome to my YouTube channel Second Code. This is a simple application which runs on any desktop. You can copy and paste it anywhere. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and if you want some further information on any topic, please comment and give me a support. Thanks for watching.